Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn how to enable and disable timeline snap on Filmora. So, we have here 3 sample videos for illustration, and when we want to separate one video from another, we have fixed gap and it won't allow you to move the video where you want. So to fix this, right-click on it and click Enable Timeline Snapping. As you see now we can move the video where we want without problems. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.